Q. What is UiPath Process Mining? A. UiPath Process Mining is a product offered by UiPath that provides insights into business processes by analyzing event data from various systems and applications. It helps organizations understand, visualize, and optimize their processes for improved efficiency and effectiveness. Q. Where do we use UiPath Process Mining? A. UiPath Process Mining is used in organizations that want to gain visibility and understanding of their business processes. It is particularly beneficial for process improvement initiatives, as it helps identify bottlenecks, inefficiencies, and areas for optimization within the processes. Q. How does UiPath Process Mining work? A. UiPath Process Mining collects event data from various systems and applications used in an organization. It analyzes this data and generates visual representations, such as process maps and charts, to illustrate the actual flow of processes, uncover process variants, and highlight potential issues or deviations. Users can drill down into specific process steps, analyze process performance metrics, and identify areas for improvement. Q. What are the benefits of using UiPath Process Mining? A. UiPath Process Mining offers several benefits. It provides organizations with a holistic view of their processes, enabling them to identify inefficiencies, bottlenecks, and compliance risks. By analyzing actual process data, organizations can make data-driven decisions to optimize processes, improve operational efficiency, reduce costs, and enhance customer satisfaction. Process mining also helps organizations align their processes with business goals and regulatory requirements. Q. Can UiPath Process Mining be integrated with other UiPath products? A. Yes, UiPath Process Mining seamlessly integrates with other UiPath products, such as UiPath Studio and UiPath Orchestrator. It can leverage data from automation workflows created in UiPath Studio to provide even deeper insights into end-to-end process execution. Orchestrator can be used to monitor and manage the execution of processes, track performance metrics, and ensure the smooth integration between automation and process mining activities. Q. Is UiPath Process Mining suitable for all types of industries? A. Yes, UiPath Process Mining is applicable to various industries and sectors. Its capabilities can be utilized in industries such as finance, healthcare, manufacturing, retail, and more. Process mining can benefit any organization that aims to analyze and optimize its processes, regardless of the industry or specific business domain.